It's your girl, JekJek the Clown, and welcome to our very first balloon sculpting lesson. For our first lesson, I'm going to teach you guys how to make a very iconic balloon, the big dog. Now, the traditional small dog is one of the simplest and best known balloon art designs. And although the big dog may look a lot more complicated, in reality, he's the exact same method on a bigger scale. I was inspired to learn how to make this by one of my favorite movies of all time, Killer Clowns from Outer Space.
Balonda.
So here's how you can make your very own replica of the Killer Clown's big dog balloon. Let's get started! So to make the big dog, you're going to need a total of 4 balloons. 2 of them should be the same color. I'm sticking to the source material and using pastel pink, 2 baby blues, and a forest green. Take your first balloon, one of the solo colors, in my case the pastel pink, and blow it up almost all the way. Leave about a half-inch slack at the end. About like that. Let a little bit of air out. Tie it up. Give it a squeeze and a stretch. And now, we're going to start by making the head. Give it about a 2-inch snout, because remember, this is a big doggy. And also give it bigger ears. The ears should also be about 2 inches, maybe 2.5. And give it the old twist-a-roo. And here we have the head body of our big dog. Now we're going to take the 2 balloons that are the same color, in my case the baby blues, and we're going to air both of them up all the way. Don't leave any slack at all. Let out a little air, as usual. Letting air out is very important in balloon sculpting. Give it a squeeze and a stretch. And now take the body of your dog and kind of give him a considerable neck. You want to have a pretty long neck, so I'm going to give mine about a 4-inch neck. You'll see why his neck is so long in just a few minutes. Now take the first balloon, the first baby blue, and fold it over so you can find exactly the halfway point. Like that. Twist it there. Measure it one more time to make sure you got it right. And then twist it into the pink balloon. I recommend twisting it around at least 7 times, just to ensure that it stays there. And there we have the front legs of our big dog. Now, air up your other same color balloon. Again, all the way, no slack. Let some air out. And tie it. Maybe a little more air. There we go. Again, fold it over to measure it. Make sure you get it right in the middle there. And twist it. Now you're going to go about halfway down what's left. About right here. And you are going to twist your other balloon right there. And there is our big dog balloon, just as he appears in Killer Clowns from Outer Space. Now I know what you're thinking. You're probably like, but JekJek, what's that last balloon for? You said it was 4 balloons to make a big dog. Well, the last balloon is going to be his leash, because all big dogs should be on a leash. I think the only exception is maybe a fenced-in dog park. Air it up almost all the way. Leave maybe just a tiny little nub at the end. Let some air out and tie. And now all we gotta do is take that balloon that we just aired up and kind of wrap it around the dog's neck. And now give the long part a twist. And twist about a 1-inch bubble on the end of the balloon. And twirl them together. And there you have it. That little bubble on the bottom is going to make the leash go straight up. So now you can literally walk the dog. But you see, we're still not quite done yet. Sure, in the movie, the big dog balloon does not have a face on it, but I like to give faces to all of my animals, so let's give this big dog a face. For starters, remember that this is a big dog, so he's going to need a big honking schnoz. So draw an oval, and then a smaller oval coming out of the bottom of the big oval. And now color it in. There is the nose of our dog. And now we need his eyes. I like to draw the eyes of my big dogs with kind of, a very chill but happy expression. Because big dogs, they're really chill most of the time. At least if you properly train them, they're chill. So I just kind of like to draw a circle for the eyes, and then just kind of, oh, that looks angry. You don't want him to look angry, just kind of chilling. He still looks kind of angry. Alright, well, this is an angry dog now. That didn't go so well. Sometimes you need to draw one expression and you end up with an entirely different one. There we go, that one's a little more what I was going for. And finally, you draw the mouth. So you're just going to draw 2 lines from the edges of the tie. And there you have it. See, now he looks more smug. That's what I was going for. Here's our nice, smug, big dog. And there you have it. Our big dog balloon is now finished. Remember to practice, practice, practice. And if you accidentally pop a balloon while you're practicing, it's okay because that is part of the art. So until our next lesson, I'm your girl, JekJek the Clown. Keep on smiling and keep on twisting. Bye, guys!